Welcome to Technia TV. I am Rakesh Kumar, Assistant Professor in Technia Institute of Advanced Study. Good morning to all. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Great. So I am going to start the class. In last class, we have discussed about the research design. Today we will discuss about the hypothesis or research question. Both are the similar words, but it's a very important point to conducting a research. So we start with the definition of hypothesis. According to Erich Roger, hypotheses are single tentative guesses, good feeling assumed for use in creating theory or planning experiments intended to be given a direct experimental test when possible. On the other hand, a hypothesis is the academic statement of the relation between two or more variables. Another is hypothesis is a formal statement that presents the expected relationship between an independent and dependent variables. And the other word is a research question is essentially a hypothesis asked in the form of question. And the other one is it is a tentative prediction about the nature of the relationship between two or more variables. Nature of hypothesis. The hypothesis is a clear statement of what is intended to be investigated. It should be specified before research is conducted and openly stated in reporting the result. This allows to identify the research objective. Another point is identify the key abstract concept involved in the research. Another version identify its relationship to both the problem statement and the literature review. A problem cannot be scientifically solved unless it is reduced to hypothesis form. It is a powerful tool of advancement of knowledge consistent with existing knowledge and conducive to further inquiry. It can be tested, verifiable or falsifiable. Hypothesis should not be moral or ethical questions. It is neither to specify nor to be general. Hypothesis is a prediction of consequences. It is considered valuable even if proven false. Now we have understand about the hypothesis and the research question. Now we will discuss the types of hypothesis. There are two types of hypothesis. One is null hypothesis, second is alternative hypothesis. Both are the very important points because in the research, whenever we go for the hypothesis, we should be the null hypothesis or should be alternative hypothesis. So today we will understand the method, what is the null hypothesis and what is alternative hypothesis. First one is the null hypothesis. Null hypothesis represent a theory that has been put forward either because it is believed to be true or because it is not be used as a basic of argument but has not been proved. It has been serious outcome if correct decision is made. The alternative hypothesis is the statement of what a hypothesis test is set up to establish. One is opposite of null hypothesis, only reach if hypotheses are rejected. Frequently, alternative is actually desired conclusion of the researcher. Formulating a hypothesis. Now we have conducted all the research. Now we have to formulate our hypothesis. Formulating a hypothesis is a very important to narrow a question down to one that can be reasonable to study in the research project. The formulation of the hypothesis basically varied with the kind of research project conducted. Now with the more important method or the research design or the research hypothesis, that is the quantitative or qualitative. Qualitative approaches is used to research question as opposed to object or hypothesis is a more frequent. Its characteristics are use of words what or how, specify whether the study, discover, seek to understand, explore or describe the experiences, use of non-directional wording in the question. These questions describe rather than the related variables or compare groups. In qualitative research, the questions are under continual review and reforming will involve and changing during study. The questions are usually open-ended without reference to the literature or theory. Use a single focus. Now, other point is quantitative approach. Quantitative approach is the survey project. The use of research question and object is more frequent in the experiment. The use of hypotheses are more frequent, represent comparison between variables, relationship between variables characteristics. The testable proposition to be conducted from theory. One point is independent and dependent variable to be separated and measured separately. Second point is to be either writing question or objective or hypothesis, but not a combination. Consider the alternative forms of writing and make a choice based on the audience of the research. I hope you understand all these points. For more video, like and subscribe Technia TV. Thank you.